Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to make a glass bottle craft. I am going to use glass painting tubes with twine on the glass bottle. The things required to make this craft are wine bottle, glass paints, chunky tubes, varnish and twine with fevicol as well. The tile-like finishing glass tubes wine bottle art craft is ready. Do watch this video till end as I will also be showing you my other bottle art works. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.